What's going on, everybody? Woo-wee! Got my Snap-on thing on. It's like a full face helmet type thing. I need a helmet. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Don't tell nobody, but listen. So I let the truck warm up this whole time. I'd say good 20 minutes or so. Wondering why the windows haven't defrosted yet. Well, guess what? You gotta turn it on. You gotta turn the fan on so they'll defrost. Now, it's like I'm, trying to look out the window like, oh my goodness. I tell you what, my wife rubs off on me. Just kidding. I rub off on her. Alright, so today's agenda, it's cold by the way. I don't know what the temperature is. I think it's in the 20s. Yesterday morning it was in the 20s. And today's Tuesday. So Thursday is gonna be supposed to get real cold. And my dad said he's gonna be working at my house, mine and my wife's house. So yeah. But anyways, today we are helping our buddy Marty, helping him out on a job. So I got haul. He said like 8 or 10 loads of class 1. So class 2 is a big old boulder. Okay, class 1's a smaller boulder. It's about like, I don't know, maybe the roundness of 4 basketballs, maybe about that big. So maybe a little bit bigger. I don't know how. Can't remember how big basketballs are. But anyways, yeah, they was putting in a piece of pipe or something like that, so they need more sinkhole. I don't know what it is. Okay, I ain't went and looked at the job. Dad went and looked at it yesterday. So, but we're gonna work it today, and he needs me to step in and daggum haul some rock. He got one of them Western Stars. I like the Western Stars. Don't get me wrong, it's that Western Star truck. I loved it, but his Western Star truck is one of them newer ones, and I don't know, old reliable here. Yeah, it steps in and does the job. So, anyways, hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's been doing well. Hope you're having an awesome week so far. I know I am. I'm ready for it. Oh, there it goes. It's thawing out. I sprayed some of this Rain-X on there. That Rain-X, it'll melt that ice real quick. Back when I used to run out west a lot, out to Washington and Oregon, in the snowy conditions, I would always dump a bottle of Rain-X in my windshield wiper reservoir tank. And it mixes with your windshield washer fluid. And so when that started getting icy, I just hit that windshield wiper cleaner button over there. And I tell you what, it melted that ice. So not only have a defrost on, but when you have that in there, yeah, because I guess like an alcohol solution or something in there, it'll melt that ice. And I always use that. So, oh yeah. So, yeah, you ain't cool unless you stay in school. So, anyways, we're going over here and get some rock right now. Oh man, the house is coming along perfect. Well, perfect. It's coming around, coming along real nice, real nice. And we got the kitchen completely painted. My wife and my mother, they worked on the kitchen counter, not countertop, but the cabinet, whatever you want to call it. It's a big long one that holds the kitchen sink and all that. And that's sage green. Yeah, it's real nice. So, but like I said, when we get done, I will do a video. And I'm not good, but I don't know how to put the pictures in the video. So I will try to figure that out. I'm gonna try to do like the before and afters, and then you just have to tell me what you think, because it's a complete transformation. You just wouldn't believe it when we get done. You'll be like, wow. So it would look like this before, it looked like that, and now it look like this when it would look like that. So, oh yeah, we ready. Can't really see out that winter. There ain't no rain. Yeah, that rain. So we going up here to the rock quarry, getting that load of class 1, and we're gonna take it on to the job site. Let's turn this camera around. I cleaned the window, so that's good. Isn't that beautiful sky? Yeah. Woo-wee! Beautiful, cold and crisp morning. What's the temperature where you're living at? All my subscribers, I know where some of them live, because some of them's family. But tell me where you live, like what state, and what's your temperatures. Yeah, I could get on, the weather and look at the temperatures, but hey, I like the comments, man. So tell me where you at, tell me your temperature this morning, and did you get any snow or what there, you know what I'm saying? Wow, look at that, that's crazy. Crazy for you. Alright, we out here at the rock quarry. Show you what we got. Woo! Look at all that rock. Oh, dang, look at that. Yeah. Got old Papa John out here loading us. Look at that view. Yeah. Getting some class 1. Yeah. Pressure washed the dump truck last week. It's a little bit cleaner. It needs some paint. Real nice. look at them. Yeah. I followed them. Not those, but big ones like that. Get your little loading action on. All right. There we go. All right, we're loaded. Let's go. Western Star dump truck. I don't think he wants to haul that big rock in it, but I'm gonna back up and dump. Alright, we just dumped. We're gonna go get another load. It might take 8 or 10 loads. We're fixing to see. We'll see at the Rock Warrior. Well, it'll be alright. Marty said he wasn't gonna be up here until 9. He must can't get out of bed. Not yet, anyways. Oh man. Let's see if we can get out of here. Oh yeah. Coming on 2 cars. When I get over here, I got one of my high lift tailgates on here. It's not a barn door one, it only swings. got it to go up. I just latched my tailgate and I didn't hear it latch. It's cold too. We'll check it out when we get over here. There you go. That was like 4 or 5 black SUV sheriffs going down 321 there. They might be going to do some training or something. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Rest all the dope dealers swinging that dope. Not good. Ruining other people's lives. Not only yours, but, you know, well, not y'all, but, you know, ruining their lives and other people's for a high. It ain't working. It is definitely not working. Life's too short. Alright, we're good. It latched. Probably can't see it. There you go. It latched. Oh, Vivi. Zavu. Old Papa John in there doing his thing. Woo! See that rock fly at me? I was like the guy from the Matrix, you know. I dodged that thing like a bullet. That's how quick I am. Fast as lightning, boy. Oh, I seen this video, my brother shared it to me. This little boy says, his mama says, oh, you're Flash? And he said, yeah, I'm Flash. She said, how fast are you? He said, I'm real fast. And he turned around and he went to take off and run. He made a few steps and he bust his face all over around. Oh, I felt bad for the little boy, but it was a funny video. Because I can see his son doing that. It reminded me of his son. That was hilarious. We loaded. They're gonna flatten her down a little bit. Real nice. Ah, we're loaded again. I ain't gonna do. I'll probably end the video when we get back over here, cause back and forth, back and forth. won't grind the gears as much. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, everybody. I'm really not that bad of a gear grinder. I only grind gears when I can't. I guess this thing's so old. If you don't get it just right, you're gonna grind it. Sometimes I get it just right. Guess what? Other times I can't. Sometimes my fat foot goes down before it makes it into gear all the way. And yeah, and then grind it. Yeah, you betcha. Like I said, we're gonna get back over here, and then I'm gonna end the video because I ain't gonna record back and forth, the same thing over and over again. I just figure I'd make a little short video and see how everyone is doing. Let you know I'm still doing. I'm hanging in there like a loose tooth. I'm finding a frog hair split 4 ways, and yeah, God is good and God is great. Yeah, just I'm thankful and blessed. So can't be any more happier than I am. So you betcha. Watching my videos and continues to subscribe and continues to watch my videos. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Ain't nothing special, but I'm just being me. But thank you. Hope everyone has a wonderful and a very blessed day, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.